So I got a sink today from the local Habitat Restore, and they had a new stainless sink, and this thing is about 20. Let's see. I guess the top it's about 23 by 21 and a half, something like that. The actual tub part is 15 and a half by about probably 20. So it's bigger than what I wanted, but I hear a lot of people complain. They said they wish your sink was bigger, wish your sink was bigger. So this is probably bigger than I want, but I'm gonna try it. Let's see what we got. It's usually always too small. Yeah, it fell in. Now it don't look near as big when it's put in, so it may be alright. I still have to take these. I have to take these off. Let's see how that goes. So it looks like I'm gonna be able to break these loose. Get in here without much trouble. That's what I was hoping. Let's get over here. So now to just head up flat. So that's good. Okay, I'm still working on my sink. I've got this mounted now, and I've got this strainer, picked it up at Lowe's Hardware, and what I'm looking at doing is I'm going to set this strainer in. I should have took this out before I turn my camera on, but I'm going to put this in, and on the bottom, this is your, I guess your down spout or whatever. This is going to sit in here and screw in under this. So I'm going to use this, and then this. I also got this at Lowe's. This fits on here, and then I can tighten it up. Then I glue this in here, and then screw that in. And this is just going to be for my water from my sink. That's going to be I don't know if that's a 3/4 or 1 inch hose. That's probably a 1 inch hose. Let me look and see here. Yes, 1 inch. 1 inch is different. So this is what I'm going to use to exit my water out into, I guess, I'll mount a gray water tank under the van eventually. So to begin with, I may just have a tank under the sink. So this is what I'm working on right now. So this is what it looks like all together. Now, somebody else may know something to go directly from this to the fitting on the end for the hose, but we looked at Lowe's, and I had a guy kind of help me look, and the threads would not, they didn't feel right as far as some of the PVC pipe. So this is what we came up with, and I can shorten this. I'm just going to slide this in here for now and snug everything up. So I can shorten this pipe up a lot. I can bring it all the way up to here if I need to. So I'm going to slide that in. I already got my seal in there. Put this ring on the bottom, tighten it up, and like I say, it's just going to be a drain. This will drain my water from the sink to the underneath to a gray tank. This is what I've got that's going to hook up to my faucet for my water in it. It's a half by half with a barbed end on it for the hose. And this is the hose I picked up.